Welcome to our channel. Today we how to customize Spotify playback settings, audio experience guide step by step clearly. Open the Spotify app on your device. Log into your account if you haven't already. Locate and tap on the Home tab at the bottom of the screen. Next, find the settings gear icon in the top right corner. Tap on the gear icon to open the settings menu. Scroll down to the playback section. Here, you will find various options to customize your audio experience. To change the audio quality, tap on Audio Quality. You can select different streaming quality options such as low, normal, high. You'll see Normalize Volume settings. Activating this will ensure a consistent volume level across all tracks. Continue scrolling to Crossfade. Enable Crossfade to allow for a seamless transition between songs. You can adjust the crossfade duration by moving the slider. Now, look for the Show Unplayed Songs option. Turning this on will help you discover new music in your library. Return to the main settings by tapping the back arrow. Next, find Private Session. This option lets you listen without sharing your activity with friends. Toggle this on when you want some music privacy. Lastly, check for any additional features such as Enhance. Activating Enhance will suggest songs that fit your current playlist. Once you've customized all your settings, tap the back arrow to exit. Your playback settings are now tailored to enhance your audio experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.